on my agenda, then we let him do what is best for the country as the President of the Republic. However, I do believe that some functions at the ICD have been left at the county level. Meaning, for those who still want to transport their goods through that mechanism, what was taken away was the compulsory having the goods come here to Naivasha. But now you can still use the same system and transport your goods to Nyanza, to out of the country, to Western Kenya, and all that sort of stuff. So I believe it's a 50-50. Like I said, we would have wanted to see it stay here like it was. However, I have spoken with the President on that issue, and what the President has promised is that he will put he'll give us every necessary help, including resources, to make sure that our dream of having a functional economic zone in Naivasha comes to be. And I'm sure we shall have a lot of employment from that economic zone. We shall have manufacturing, we shall have lots of jobs, and it will revive our economy for the county. So I believe eventually we shall come out okay.